guys, this is ADKM. Today I'm going to show you how to yeet a human shaman named Storm Herald at your opponent's face for lethal damage. This usually can happen by turn 4 in most cases, but if not turn 4, then definitely turn 5 or 6. Very fun deck and easy wins. Just like that. Alright, so let's discuss the cards. We have Storm Herald, which is the star of the deck. He has haste, he's a 3/2, and when he enters the battlefield, you can return any number of aura cards from your graveyard to the battlefield attached to creatures you control. Exile those auras at the beginning of your next end step. If those auras would leave the battlefield, exile them instead of putting them anywhere else. Then we have Clossification, which gives him +20/+20. The downside of Clossification, though, is that when you attach it to a creature, it's going to tap that creature. But thanks to the card Thud, we are able to just bypass that whole thing. We don't need to attack with him, because we're just going to throw him at our opponent. Another really important card in this deck is Cathartic Reunion. As an additional cost to cast this spell, discard 2 cards and then draw 3 cards. So you get to discard all your enchantments so they're in the graveyard ready for Storm Herald. And you also get to draw 3 cards. Another card that's similar to this that I have in the deck is called Thrill of Possibility. That card, you discard 1 card and then you draw 2 cards. So it's the same concept, just different numbers. And then with Thud, as an additional cost to cast this spell, sacrifice a creature. Thud deals damage equal to the sacrifice's creature's power to any target. And that is how we get to throw Storm Herald at our opponent. A member from the Cosmic Gaming community on Facebook actually brought to my attention that Thud is also called Fling. So I thought that was interesting. I have no idea why they have 2 different names for the exact same card. But on MTG Arena, it is called Thud. If you have not checked out Cosmic Gaming Community on Facebook, it's this awesome group. It's got over 7,000 members, and people are consistently on there and discussing cool deck builds and getting advice, giving advice. It's just a really cool place to go and geek out and nerd out with your fellow planeswalkers. So definitely look into that. Alright, let's see how all this plays. So this is actually a really decent opening hand. We have quite a few pieces of our puzzle that we need. And now we have another one, Storm Herald, the star of the deck. Discarding our enchantments so they're in our graveyard to attach them to Storm Herald when he comes out on turn 4. And now we even have Thud. So we have every piece we need to win this game by turn 2, but we have to wait till turn 4 because we need 4 mana to get it all out there. Using any kind of mana ramp in this deck is really pointless. By the time you get it all out there, it's turn 4 or 5 anyway, so. Often with Cathartic Reunion and Thrill of Possibility, I end up discarding land cards because I really only need 4. And there we have it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you can subscribe to my channel so you can see more cool deck builds and some other interesting things that I have planned for the future.